Are you tired of boring and bland protein meals? Then, let's step it up with this chicken and sausage jambalaya. This isn't just any jambalaya recipe, we're maximizing the meat for a seriously high protein count. And the best part is, it all comes together beautifully in just one pot. So, are you ready to ignite that Cajun flavor? Let's get this one-pot jambalaya started.
I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me.
First, grab your boneless chicken thighs and dice about 500 grams into even chunks. Then, season the meat with 1 tablespoon of Cajun or Old Bay seasoning. Mix it well and set it aside. Heat a bit of oil in a pan over medium-high heat, then brown the seasoned chicken. To boost that high protein count, let's slice about 300 grams of smoked sausage. Add it right to the pan with the chicken so they can brown together. Once the chicken and the sausage are almost cooked through, transfer them to a bowl and set them aside for now. Next, we'll start building that deep flavor base. Chop up about 1 cup of yellow onion, 1 cup of carrot, and 2 stalks of celery. This is also known as the Holy Trinity of Cajun cooking. So, we're going to soften these veggies in the same pan to create that foundation for our fantastic jambalaya. Time to layer up the flavor. Slice 1 jalapeno for a little heat, mince 4 cloves of garlic for that signature pungency, and dice up a green bell pepper for a sweet note. Now, toss all those chopped veggies into the pan and stir them well until they become soft and tender. Sprinkle another tablespoon of Cajun or Old Bay seasoning. Add 3 teaspoons of tomato paste to give the veggies a deeper flavor. Gently, it's time to stir in 2 cups of pre-rinsed long grain rice for a minute. Next, let's add the liquids by pouring in 1 cup of canned diced tomatoes, crushing them slightly, and then pouring in 2 cups of chicken stock. Bring the liquid to a simmer, then it's time to return the chicken and sausage. Pour in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce for that subtle umami. And finally, add in 3 bay leaves. Put the lid on and turn the heat to low. Let this cook for 10 minutes or until the rice absorbs all the liquid. Once the rice is cooked, gently fold the jambalaya. All we have to do now is to turn off the heat and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. This jambalaya is ready to serve. We hope you enjoyed this one-pot, high-protein chicken and sausage jambalaya. If you do, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next recipe. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.